I'm gonna fall.
No, just go slow. Just go slow, baby. See, you got it.
There's a lot of people here, though.
Yeah. Who cares what other people think? Oh, see? That guy doesn't care.
Ouch, I'm gonna run over his fingers. I don't want to run over anybody's fingers.
You're not going to run.
Want to go around again?
Yeah.
I'm doing it on my own.
I know, all by yourself. Just like you. You're skating with your skate feet.
Whoa, my skate feet. What are you supposed to do with your hands?
Whatever feels comfortable.
Are you supposed to use them to help you keep going?
Remember that speed skater guy? He had the crazy arm going?
Yeah, that's right. So it does help you go.
Yeah.
Oh. I don't want to run over anybody's fingers.
Careful, careful!
It's not fair. Alright, what do you say?
What do you say?
Guy? Hot chocolate time?
Hot chocolate time.